The secret sauce. It's all about the vibe. We've all been there, stuck in a team meeting that feels more like a hostage situation. Now imagine the opposite. A team buzzing with energy, ideas flowing, and everyone excited to contribute. Think of it like this. Your team is a band. You've got a killer guitarist, a drummer with a mean backbeat, and a vocalist who can hit all the right notes. But if they don't gel, the music will fall flat. So how do you create that secret sauce? Focus on engagement and performance. When team members are engaged, they're all in, bringing their A game. And when a team performs well, they exceed expectations. Get ready to crank up the volume on success.
Sparking the fire. Igniting team engagement. Remember that time you aced a project and your boss gave you a half-hearted nod? Yeah, not exactly motivating, is it? Engagement thrives on recognition, appreciation, and a genuine sense of belonging. It's about creating an environment where everyone feels valued, respected, and heard. Think back to kindergarten. Remember the pure joy of building a Lego masterpiece with your classmates? Everyone had a role. Everyone felt important, and the end result was a testament to your collective creativity. Encourage your team to work together, share ideas freely, and celebrate each other's successes. Make it clear that every voice matters, and that the best solutions often emerge from a melting pot of perspectives. Continuously seek feedback, encourage open communication, and foster a culture of trust and respect. Because when team members feel valued and connected, they're more likely to go the extra mile, support each other, and achieve extraordinary things together.
Level up strategies for high performance. So you've got an engaged team, everyone's jazzed to be there, and the coffee machine is working overtime. That's awesome. But engagement is only half the equation. To truly unlock your team's potential, you need to translate that infectious energy into tangible results. Start by setting clear, measurable goals that are challenging, yet attainable. Break down large projects into smaller, more manageable tasks and empower team members to take ownership of their work. Just like a marathon runner needs regular check-ins and course adjustments, your team needs regular feedback and support to stay on track. High performance isn't about pushing people to the brink of burnout. It's about creating an environment where individuals feel challenged, supported, and empowered to do their best work. Celebrate milestones, recognize achievements, and provide opportunities for growth and development.
Embracing the chaos, agility, and collaboration. The corporate world is a bit like a mosh pit these days. Fast-paced, unpredictable, and with a high chance of getting elbowed in the face. In this environment, the ability to adapt, collaborate, and embrace change is no longer a nice-to-have, it's a matter of survival. Agile teams are like seasoned mosh pit veterans. They can navigate the chaos, anticipate shifts, and come out on top, maybe with a few more bruises, but ultimately stronger and more united. The key? Communication, flexibility, and a shared willingness to embrace the unknown. Implement flexible work structures that allow for quick pivots and adjustments as needed. Foster a culture of collaboration where silos are broken down, knowledge is shared freely, and cross-functional teamwork is encouraged.
The Leader's Playbook Actionable Takeaways. Transform your team into a high-performing, agile force. Awesome. 1. Lead with empathy. You're leading people, not just tasks. 2. Communication is key. Foster open and honest communication. 3. Embrace recognition. Celebrate successes, big and small. 4. Empower, don't micromanage. Delegate tasks and let them shine. 5. Foster a growth mindset. 6. Lead by example, walk the walk.
Building a dream team. One step at a time. Creating a dream team, the kind that laughs together, brainstorms like a boss, and consistently delivers exceptional results, is a process, not an overnight transformation. It takes time, effort, and a genuine commitment from everyone involved. By focusing on building engagement, fostering high performance, and embracing agility and collaboration, you can create a team culture where individuals thrive, ideas flourish, and success becomes the norm. So, ditch the boring meetings, crank up the team spirit, and get ready to unlock the true potential of your team. Because when people feel valued, connected, and empowered, they can achieve extraordinary things together. Why are there not more people talking about Tuckman's model and its importance in team dynamics? Tuckman's model outlines 5 stages of team development: forming, storming, norming, performing, and adjourning. Understanding these stages can help leaders guide their teams through the natural progression of team development. Let's dive into each stage briefly. First, the forming stage. This is where team members get to know each other and set initial expectations. Leaders can facilitate this stage by organizing icebreaker activities. Next, the storming stage, where conflicts and challenges often arise. Effective leaders navigate this stage by encouraging open communication. Following storming is the norming stage, where team members start to find their rhythm. Leaders should focus on reinforcing positive behaviors. Then comes the performing stage, where the team operates at its highest efficiency. Finally, the adjourning stage marks the completion of the project. It's crucial for leaders to provide closure by celebrating the team's accomplishments. By understanding and applying Tuckman's model, leaders can effectively guide their teams through each stage of development. Reflect on your team's current stage and consider how you can apply these strategies to enhance your team's performance.